Hi, very good evening, all. In a passionless world, how do you expect me to speak very more? Let me make it short and simple so that you would understand very clearly. Brand, brand. Everything around me is branded. A chair is branded. In front of me, the mobile is branded. And what I hold, the pen is called branded. Parker. Wear jeans are the branded. T-shirts are the branded. Wear the ring which has been bought from Joe Solukas and Joey Alukas branded. Everything around me is branded. Am I? Everything around me is branded. Am I? Am I branded? Everything around me is branded. Am I? I would like to have branded, but am I? I want to have branded. In front of me, Nokia 1100 is there, iPhone is there. Which one I would like to prefer? Of course, iPhone. I would like to have branded. Am I branded? Everything around me is branded. I would like to have branded. Am I branded? Such a big question. Sorry for saying this. Wearing inner is also branded. Jockey. After all, exposing yourself the current status through the WhatsApp, finding the quality 720,080 HT, want to show other self very in a high definition. Everything around me is branded. I would like to have branded, and I would like to exhibit the things and product branded. Am I branded? Association. Going INX theater movie. We don't get village snacks. We don't bring village snacks actually. We would buy only INX theater snacks. Everything is associated, right? INX theater, INX snacks. Labeling, no Reliance company uniform, labeling Reliance, but inside there is no Reliance. Everything around me is branded. Am I branded? Having Virat Kohli hairstyle, beard style, but looks like a walking like a running like a woman. Wearing blazer and speaking about nonsense, sitting awkwardly. Everything around me is branded. Am I branded? I would like to have branded. Am I branded? In a process of chasing money, 70% of the life gone. We forgot to enjoy small things. Small things. In a restroom or in a bathroom, when you're getting bath from the shower, and we are thinking about something, not enjoying small things, always thinking about what gonna do. That is why everybody used to say, no, I want to live my childhood life, because in a childhood life you have just enjoyed very small things. In a process of chasing money, 70-80% of the life has gone. After the accumulation, in a retirement period, we start to enjoy. Is it life? We are always thinking about earning money, how to earn money. I'm consciously speaking. It doesn't mean that I cannot able to earn money. I can earn money, but when do I enjoy? PF. Insurance. I'm very healthy. 5:30. I'm waking up and doing exercise. PF, future money. It saves you. accident may happen. Why? Positive vibes are around me, worshipping, doing all great things. Positive vibes are always with me. Fear. See, first we should, what to say, destroy the substitute and the alternative. We find there is an alarm, so we extend our sleeping time. I mean, sleep going time. We extend our sleep going time because of there is a substitute, and because of the substitute there is a one thing called snooze. The option is snooze. Where there is substitute, where there is alternative, people will file leniency, liberal, liberal things. There should not be any substitute. Be branded. Brand positioning. It is not, what to say, you're wearing ring, that gold ring should shine. You also shine by your smile. Brand positioning. How to brand yourself? Best example is Xerox company is a brand, not product. People are asking Xerox is a brand, not product. People are asking Dalta is a brand, not product. Pampers are the brand or not a product. The real product is called diaper. 2 Lives. M.G. Ramachandran sir, who is the head of ADMK. 2 Lives. Rettalai. It's a brand. People think that still MJR is alive. Everything around me is branded. Am I branded? I would like to have branded. Am I branded? Should create some disturbance. Even it is hurry, and even it is you, should create some disturbance through your absence. You're going anywhere, somewhere, your parents are going somewhere, your absence should disturb others. Live a very silky life, glittering life, scintillating life. Everything around me is branded. Am I branded? I feel very superior about myself. Even the whole world is against me. Getting inner peace, inner happiness. Sleep is coming very naturally to me. Be branded. Thank you. Love you all.